Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove viruses from your Windows 11 PC without using any antivirus software. If your computer is running slow, acting strange, or you suspect it has a virus, this method will help you clean it up using a built-in Windows tool. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen and click on Run. You can also use the shortcut Windows plus R to open the Run box quickly. Now, in the Run box, type MRT in all capital letters. After that, click OK or press Enter. A new window will appear called Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. This is a built-in tool that allows you to detect and remove malicious software from your system. At the bottom of this window, there's a Next button. Click on it. Now you'll see three scan options. The first option is Quick Scan, which scans the areas of your system most likely to contain viruses and malware. If anything harmful is found, the tool may prompt you to run a full scan. The second option is Full Scan, which scans your entire system for threats. This scan is more thorough, but can take several hours to complete. The third option is Customize Scan, which lets you select specific folders to check for viruses. For this video, I'm going to select Quick Scan and then click Next. The tool will now start scanning the most vulnerable files on your computer. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the number of files on your system. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the results. If no malicious software is found, you're good to go. If a virus or malware is detected, follow the on-screen instructions to remove it. You can also click on View Detailed Results to see which files were scanned and if any threats were found. That's it. Now you can click Finish and your system is clean. For some reason, if this method didn't work for you, there is a paid method that you can also try. You could try the Antivirus from Surfshark. It can help you remove viruses from your computer and also scans any files you download to check for viruses to avoid problems in the future. It's included as part of the Surfshark subscription, which also includes Surfshark VPN. Just click the link in the description to try Surfshark Antivirus risk-free for a great price.